Hello, beautiful soul. Let's channel some messages for you. I have no idea why Spirit put me in front of the. I know because for magic, something magical, something important, something beautiful is gonna happen. Like always, that's why I make videos. It's been 2 years of me, over 2 years, okay, that I have consistently every day. I might have missed like 1 or 2 days in between, but I have been consistently showing up every day. And something, the process, I love you, even though I uh, I might get one view, two view, but I know my videos are making impact. I know, and I just gotta keep going. Right now, as I'm making this video, I don't know why, Spirit, why are you telling me to share this? Please, why? Because that's the best way to channel the right messages. This what Spirit is saying is by talking honestly, share honestly. But then what about boundaries, Spirit? There are some things that I need to keep to myself and not share with other people. you know Spirit is saying, let them see, let them see, let them see you. But what if other people judge me? They instead of having sympathy, instead of having genuine empathy, instead of you know but instead they choose to judge. What about that? Ah, Spirit is saying, make your heart so bigger that you share your truth, your honest truth, for the one person who will be impacted, who needs to feel less alone. Share your honest raw truth with for that one person. So as I'm making this video, it's 4 a.m. and I'm gonna go to river Ganga that is here, to pray, to ask for support, because I have my 5 months of rent unpaid. And suddenly, like I have triple 2 rupees in my bank account right now. Literally triple 2 rupees, which could be around $2 to $3, okay? And I have to pay my mobile bill as well, and I don't know what's gonna happen. And I don't know. Anyway, and I was feeling so just unsafe. I feel like I can't trust anybody around me, you know? And that unsafety. And I was just, before making this video, I was crying. I was like, God, please send me right people in my life, in my life, that inner circle. And yeah. So, okay, Spirit, I did share for the one person we uh, and you guys, my entire business is about empowerment, about becoming your most empowered self. And just Spirit, it's channeling Spirit. It's not about anything. It's about me just letting myself be the instrument of God, and whatever God wants to bring. And so when I share my raw, honest truth and struggles, it really put me in a state wherein, will people trust me then? Will people put their time, energy, money into my courses, into getting coaching from me, mentorship from me, when I am in this state? And so then Spirit pushes me to share my truth. And this is what it is, and wow, very interesting, God, very interesting. But all I know is that I showed up. When I, always, this was the pact, between me and God, me and gods and goddesses of creativity, that I have to show up. The quality, everything is. Bring magic in your life with my magic paintings. This painting says, dearest God, dearest Mother, thank you for guiding me. Thank you for leading my way. When you live around this painting, the way you start to move in this world very bravely, confidently, courageously, you would find yourself becoming most braver, bolder, confident version of yourself, and it's just so much divine guidance and peaceful energies into your life. Super powerful. Super, super. You can't miss the magic. You can't. I'm telling you, you cannot. Okay. Also, you can hire me and I will channel a customized magic painting uniquely for you. A painting that will bring lot of success, high vibrations, good energies, power, love, and like sacred, peaceful, pure energies into your life. It's so powerful, and their responsibility. I am not responsible for the quality. I am not. I am responsible for showing up, which I have consistently. And I know I have made a huge, deep impact. I know that. I know that. And I must be compensated for it. And when you are in this, sometimes when you get in this low position, it is very easy to become hateful. Like, okay, my people are not paying me, and this and that. And that's where, the real work begins. And building a business pushes you to into heart awakening. Oh my god, oh my god, really. And genuinely, it will teach you love. Business teaches you love, man. It teaches you real love. Like, how do you respect people? How do you... Wow, very interesting, very interesting. Oh my god, what I'm thinking right now. Can I share this, Spirit? No, this I can't. But and everything, it's so complicated. The right word would be, because everyone is us pushed out. Like, what we see in others exists in us. We can't be sitting here and hating on other people. That is disgusting. If I am checking my followers and I'm just constantly sending hate, like, oh my god, this person is not buying from me, huh. That's why learning to alchemize that energy. Do not sit in hate, do not sit in fear, do not sit in worry, do not sit in you know all this, because that will hijack you. This prayer, that God, I want to see this situation as you see it. I want to treat this situation as you would treat it. I want to, dear God, I want to see this person as you see them. I want to see myself as you see me. Because, and we have to keep saying it, because otherwise it's very addictive. We can keep hating on other people in our minds. We can keep, criticizing others, blaming the circumstances in our minds. And that's not good at all. It's not good energetically, honestly. So we gotta keep on saying this prayer. If even if you do not have a business, you're just life. Wow. What I'm getting right now, it's like, I'm just the deep heart cleansing that happens. Great. I am so grateful that I started my business. I started my YouTube channel. Because it's like what it has gotten me, It's like that the ego deaths, like, oh my god, the out of integrity, the dishonesty, the hatred, the judgmental behaviors, feeling superior, making other people feel inferior or bad about their life or where they are, like, and so many other things. God cleansed it out through me, from inside of me, you know and I will see where it goes. I don't know right now what God has for me next, but I am so proud of myself for starting my business, for putting myself out there every day, for writing, for, like, writing my ebook, creating courses, selling my art, talking about my offers. It took time and energy. I'm so glad I did all of this because it built me up in such strong level. This being on this in this process in itself is so, it's like just going through this process in itself is, it's a gift. It's a gift to be going. It's tough, it's heartbreaking, it rips you apart, but it is still worth it. It's still worth it because nothing will bring so much, cleansing inside of us. Nothing will bring so much, integrity, honesty, and discipline and connection with God. Because if you start your business and you rely on people, it doesn't work. You have to rely on God, and you have to be disciplined in building that connection with God. What are we building? Like, if I am, if I my connection with God is not stronger, if I am not consistently watering that connection, so then what am I building? What kind of offers, what kind of products, what kind of business? Nothing. No, without that connection with God, anything that I build will be waste of, yeah, it wouldn't be of any use. And with connection with God, and then when I build something, that's just so worth it. That's just so worth it. Oh my God. You guys, build your connection with God. You gotta be saying your prayers. You gotta be, I'm telling you, we can't be living in consistent hatred for other people, judgment for other people. We have to break out of this. You know, just like constantly judging other people, constantly holding hatred for them. Why are we doing that? Why is it happening? Why in our minds are we hating on other people without knowing them? Where are we out of alignment that this hatred frequency is within us? Like, why? Ask this question and let God reveal to you. Because there must be something, there has to be, some opening for a bacteria, for a virus to enter your life, right? So from where this hatred frequency, like inside of you, why are you constantly judging other people? This is so, and especially if you are a highly sensitive person, you guys say your prayers. Literally tell Mother Earth that Mother Earth, keep me in an energy wherein I can be my softest and purest self. Because if you are in an environment wherein people are not holding strong energies of love, it can be very hard for you. You will get so drained. You would get lost in their energies. I swear, I swear, I'm an artist. I know. And I'm super psychic. It shocks me how psychic I am and what I have observed when I'm painting, you know. I am able to see the thought patterns, and just like even if I'm not talking to other people, not talking to people, and they're just existing around me, I'm able to like literally read their energy deep, on a deep level. And I can see that, and if I do not, wow, it's, and nothing against people or something, but I'm just saying, if you're a highly sensitive person, you need to have higher standards. Highly sensitive person needs to have high standards. It's like, it's how we need oxygen to live. A highly sensitive person needs high standards like that. They need to have high standards like that and be solid in them. Because, and when I say high standard, I mean you asking God, you asking Mother that surround me around people who are holding strong energy of love for me, strong energy of success for me, strong energy of prosperity for me. Like surround me in people who are constantly sending me good wishes, you know, who surround me in people who wants to see me thriving. Surround me in um, loving energy, you know, wherein I can be my softest. I can be my honest, integrous self. And of course, you know, you gotta make sure your self care is strong and you have everything that you need for the self care, you know, charging the right prices for your services, you know, you deserve that. And it's not even like, my favorite teacher says that we need to throw the concept of deserving outside the window, because universe does not based is not based on deservability. That's why you might see a lot of people making money, even they out from outside it can look like they do not deserve it. They're doing so many harmful things. Why do they have so much money? Because deserving is not the parameter for, you know, and lot of the times, you know, me giving you direct answers might not help you, but making you ask question, then what is, you know, when you ask questions from inside of you, you will be led to answers always. And then when you receive the answer from within, you will have, that will have much stronger impact. And then you might find other teachers who will reconfirm your own intuition. Yeah, but that does not mean that you do not respect other teachers. You know, you gotta be able to acknowledge human beings efforts into bringing love, peace, wisdom in art, happiness, joy, inspiration into this world. We can get into our ego and be like, huh, what teacher? I'm not looking at them. I'm not, I don't believe in that. No, but you still have to. It is a must that you develop that way of looking at other people. You cultivate that, like God. I want to look at this person in front of me as you look at them. You gotta be saying this prayer because of their strength, what they have done. You might not see it. You might you we can be in our own ego and completely ignore the efforts of other person, but we have to see it. We have to see it, acknowledge it, appreciate it, respect it. Yeah. My journaling course is in my bio. So powerful. The wisdom that I have shared inside that course, you need it right now to expand into your next level. That's the wisdom that I have shared inside that course is the exact wisdom that you need right now at this moment in your life. I also have my ebook, Energetic Activation for Brand New Life. I have put down affirmations, intentions, prayers inside that ebook that will, establish a new foundation of courage, confidence, bravery. Your right now your identity must be rooted in lack, in fear, in separation, in harm, in poor habits. But as you bring this ebook in your life and go through the verses inside it, it will activate something so powerful inside of you. Yeah, link of everything is in my bio. My 3 months of mentorship, my one-on-one psychic guidance session, they will support you a lot. Like, one-on-one psychic guidance session if you want, shorter term guidance and all of that. Yeah, and 3 months of mentorship if you want to dive much deeper and take my support in moving through anxieties, fears, day-to-day stress, and limiting beliefs, things that are stopping you from becoming your most braver, confident, stylish, creative, the person who believes in themselves unapologetically, and have the have my support in becoming visible, in becoming unbothered, and coming in your power. My 3 months of mentorship is for you. Link of everything is in my bio.